This video demonstrates simulated navigation and map layer switching after importing a TMB GPX file on an Android Xiaomi 13 Pro. First, tap the yellow folder icon at the bottom of the screen to import the TMB GPX file generated on the iPhone 11. You will immediately see an overview of the generated route. Then tap the blue eye icon at the bottom left to view the complete route report. Tapping any location inside the full report instantly updates the map with real-time details, making it crystal clear exactly where you are looking. What you're seeing now is the live departure risk assessment for the newly imported GPX file, rather than the assessment from when the route was originally planned. Here is a demonstration of switching between different map layers. You can choose from 3D map, satellite, Rudy map, only for Taiwan hiking, Topo map, street map, and cycling map. Now, let's start the simulated navigation located at the bottom right of the center controls. Of course, you can freely pan and zoom in or out to inspect local conditions along the route during the simulation. Now let's switch to the true 3D map for our simulated navigation. Loading the authentic 3D terrain might be a bit slow at first because it needs to download the 3D map tiles and elevation data. Still, I'm testing this on a 5-year-old phone, and the performance is totally acceptable. Once the map tiles finish downloading quietly in the background, they are cached directly into your phone's IndexedDB storage for fast offline access. Of course, you can freely pan, zoom in, and zoom out as you like. While the data downloads silently in the background, let's jump straight into the 3D simulated navigation. What you're seeing now is a full 360-degree rotating panoramic view of the entire TMB loop. This gives you a comprehensive visual overview of the trail terrain, while allowing the true 3D map tiles to download quietly in the background during the rotation. The download is a bit slow, but I'm sure the Xiaomi 13 Pro hasn't even pushed its limits yet, even if this Android phone is getting on in years. After about 15 seconds of silent background downloading, I can see the detailed 3D terrain gradually taking shape. Now sit back, enjoy the music, and check out the rest of the video. Thanks so much for watching.
Thought I'd fly over my own state. Something about those city lights were calling out my name. Now mama, don't you cry. You know there'll come a day where I come visit you at home. And if I never stay, the same old now welcome sign, the population getting by, crossing that county line brings back the good old days. With the same old station on the side of that homegrown two-lane paradise, watching that midnight sky you don't see in LA. This big world will always change, but the small town will stay the same.